First, we have to keep the paper one on the other. Then we have to fold it. Then we have to fold it in 3 inch. Then we have to turn. We have to divide it into 3 equal parts. Then we have to put the left one on the right one. Then we have to open it and put it in the right side. Then we have to turn it to divide it into 2 equal parts. Then we have to keep the upper one, the outer one in the upper ones. Our paper bag is ready.